A research has shown that majority of the people wear 20% of their clothes 80% of the time. Are you one of them? Then this video is for you. Hello everyone, I am Shraddha Agarwal, an internationally certified image coach, etiquette coach, success coach and a wardrobe consultant. Today, I'm going to tell you about a new terminology called wardrobe orphans. So what are wardrobe orphans? These are the clothes that lie in the back of your closet. They are unwanted, they are unloved and they are unworn. I'm going to share with you 10 guidelines to know what are the wardrobe orphans in your wardrobe. So let us begin. Number 1, the fit. Check the fit of that garment. Is that garment not up to your body type and your body shape? Is it too loose? Is it too short? Is it too long for you? Check the fitting of the garment. Number 2, the colors. The color of the garment is not up to your mark. We all have our own personal choices and it changes over and over again as we get new seasons, as we get our choices change and as we move ahead in life. Number 3, the patterns or the prints. Do you like patterns and prints? Do you like stripes or do you like florals? What is this garment all about you're looking at? This is the pattern you would like to wear on your body. Check for it. Number 4, the fabrics. Fabrics do play an important role. If the fabric is very heavy and you are living in a city which is very warm and humid, you might not wear that garment. Or even if the fabric is very delicate, you do not tend to wear it very often with the sheer fear that it would get torn or it would get scrunched or it would get wrinkled away. Number 5, is it the style that you are looking in for? Is it as per your personal style? We all have our individual personal style. Some people like very bold colors, prints, fabrics. Some people are liking very delicate and fine fabrics. So is it the style that you wear? Or even in the garment, many of us like to wear proper shirts and jackets and skirts or trousers below. While this garment is something not as per your personal style. It is very delicate, it is very flowy and there are a lot of flowers and ruffles and frills which you do not like on that. Number 6, look at the cost factor. Maybe the garment is very expensive that you've brought. And now if you wear that garment and if it gets spoiled, there would be again an overhead cost added to it for the maintenance of the garment. So you do not like to wear it often or you do not even wear it with the sheer intention that this might just get spoiled. 7 is the maintenance cost. Consider, look at the garment. Does it require any kind of maintenance? Maybe alterations, maybe the zipper is not working, maybe the buttons are not working, maybe ironing, steaming, dry cleaning. Is there anything that makes this garment wearable for you? Number 8. There are no coordination pieces along with that. This is a beautiful piece of garment that you have, but when you look at it separately, when you try to coordinate and mix and match it with other things, you find none in your wardrobe. Whether it just could be a shoes, a bag, an accessory, or even a trouser, a bottom or a top that could be there with it. Number 9. Is it a gift or a pass on to you? We all get gifts in clothes and also we get our clothes pass on from our elders like brother or a sister. Sometimes we do not like those because that's not our style. Maybe the color, the fabric, nothing works for us. But because they have been gifted to us or been passed on to us, there is an emotional attachment and so that is the reason that garment is lying in your wardrobe. Number 10, the occasion. Do you have any occasion to wear that garment? You bought that outfit when it was needed for that one particular occasion. Could be your wedding, could be your prom night, could be your date night or any other specific function. But now, when you look back to it, you see that you do not find any other occasion to wear that. So my dear friends, look at your wardrobe now. What kind of wardrobe orphans are you carrying in your wardrobe? And they are only occupying the space in your wardrobe. Open your wardrobe, look at them and find out your reason for not wearing those clothes. And what to do with them, I'm going to tell you in my upcoming videos. So if you like this video, like and subscribe the button below and you will get more updates like these. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.